Love to bake for the family. Any occasion calls for a cupcake or a cake.
G'day guys, I'm Sam Thaiday. I'm here to share Rachel's story. She works here at the Brisbane Amazon FC Centre. Come and join me. Rachel, lovely to meet you. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm a problem solver here at the Fulfilment Centre, currently an ambassador, which means that I train new people that come in. It's a great role, I love it.
Now Rachel, I heard you like to bake cakes.
Yeah, just a little bit. Birthday cakes for the family, and we make cupcakes. It's great having the 3 days off. And I love bushwalking, out in nature. I used to be quite shy, but the actual Fulfilment Centre atmosphere brings me out of myself. And I'm teaching people, it makes me feel good about them achieving what they can. Love it, absolutely love it.